So here's our roof membrane in a gray. You got the natural shingle. You got one coat. Excuse me, you have 2 coats versus 1 coat. If you want to think about it, each coat is about 500 mil. That's equivalent to about 5 times normal paint. By comparison, here's a traditional roof paint in a gray, like a darker blue-gray color. This is the membrane. So imagine like if you're painting a roof shingle, this is the difference in the texture. Here you see a slight variation. This is the first coat applied today, while you have 2 coats here. So every time you do a coat, you go from about 500 mil to about 1000 mil, for example, okay? This is UV protected. It bonds and permeates, so no water is gonna get underneath the surface. Take a look at, this was a shingle that was used to throw away. And take a look at the hole here. I used the woven and then I went over. It's completely gone. You may need to do 3 or 4 coats in these sections, for example. And obviously, this is a roof you would not be keeping, but it just goes to show you how durable this product is. And remember, UV protected, so if you go with the darker color, the polyurethane is going to hold up. It's not acrylic based, it's polyurethane based. Much tougher.